Alright, so what's going on, guys? Hopefully everybody's having a good day, and just a heads up, this whole video was shot a couple days ago, and I didn't really make an intro for it. I was just there hanging out with friends and just decided to record a little bit. And I want to apologize in advance for like the video quality and the audio and also the shakiness, because I was trying out a new camera and I guess I just don't like it anymore. Yeah, I just tried it out, and this camera that I use now, has built-in image stabilization and everything, so that's why it's a lot more smoother. And this was just a random pop of me that just for fun decided to just host, because some people were coming down from, was it up north? Became a good like turnout between like all good homies and stuff, so we're just having a blast and just chatting up and everything. So here's some clips of the cars over there, and like I said, sorry about the quality of that content or that those clips. So that's just a heads up. Look at this boost. Oh, it must be nice.
Sickness.
Welcome to have Mario.
Alright, now let's go back on.
What's there to pick on this car? Why does it have a Mary Jane Band-Aid here?
When stupid hurts.
When stupid? I took mine off.
Oh yeah, you got one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was shooting
Yeah, you can try the 7-Eleven when we went to, me and Juan.
I'll stick my doing that.
Yeah. What was it? Your home? I forgot. Damn. That's not. Oh, damn, this thing's loud.
But they all came in stream. Yeah. They said 2017. Yeah, they said 2017. Yeah. It's gonna have the fully the. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's nice. Actually, I like that touch that they did.
I can't remember if somebody did that to like one of the other models. Cool.
The other one's 18.
Sky? Yeah, PCI Racing. Yeah.
Car or whatever.
Yeah, PCI, and then I had to slot it though because there wasn't enough space, or I couldn't move it back enough because I was too short, or move it forward. I mean, so what I did was I reversed the bracket.
Wait a second. How tall you were?
5'6".
And you had to move it more forward because it was.
Yeah, it can be. Do you miss your Corolla?
Yes and no.
Yes and no. What do you mean yes and no?
I miss that car in particular, but I don't miss the other car.
You came to my house.
You know what he told me?
What?
I was gonna bite off him.
Really?
Yeah, but I kept nagging him.
Oh yeah, Will was. I didn't know that. Yeah, I bought from him. He dropped.
Later. Oh, he's car I want. You can't.
Oh, thanks.
We have a Toyota truck. Who knows what fucking thing?
That's fucking sick. I'm sorry. That's cool.
And the guy that helped me out, he was like, "Where?"
Is that my real guy? Oh yeah, I was there when you got it. Alright, so at this point now, in the video, the lights turned off, and then, I forgot who said it, but someone said, hey, I think the parking lot, or parking structure closes at 12, or 12:30, and then we're like, what, really? He's like, yeah, there's a sign over there that says it. And then I was like, okay. I know we just all decided to warm up our cars and head out. And then that time when the lights turned off, I guess the gates for the parking structure went down automatically. So we were all locked in. And it was crazy because we didn't know, because normally, well, I think we don't stay that late. We'll stay around to like 11-ish or something. But we were there till like 12, and the gates rolled down automatically. We did not know that. Locked us out, and we're all just like, dude, how do we even get out? A couple of us tried to lift up the gate, but the gate's locked and it didn't work. And then there was a small little portion with a gate that's supposed to roll down, but the gate didn't roll down. It was still up. And it was a spot for pretty much like handicapped people and for people to walk through. I guess for some reason that night, the gate didn't go down on that. But the only way for us to get the cars out was through that little walkway, which fits cars, of course, but just one car at a time. But it drops down over a sidewalk. Luckily, there's some 350Zs over there, and then this guy has some bricks and folding chairs. So they decided to lay the bricks down and then the folding chairs. So you can see in the video that we're just driving right over the folding chairs. It was crazy. That explains why I have no bumper right now, because I actually took off my bumper. A couple of us took off our front bumpers because, yeah, you're driving off a sidewalk. And it was a pretty funny night, honestly. But it's just that moment, like, we never like had, I guess that was the first time for all of us. We all got locked in the structure, and then we just you know, just made our way out. But it was funny. We ended up, like, I think I got home around like 1:30ish, and it was just funny. But enjoy these clips of some of us rolling out over the little sidewalk. So yeah. So we all just got stuck in this parking lot.
Go ahead, Daddy.
Hey, tell me you gotta put this on your YouTube, bro. This is great content for your YouTube, dude.
Oh, you got miles, bro. It's $1 per car, bro.
I want to see this. I want to see Chris come out. Damn, one.
Yeah, you're good. There you go. Hey, the next test is going to see if these chairs still work. Hold on.
It's good content.
Yeah, for the content, dude. Just for fun. Subscribe.
This one. Yeah, there you go. Chris is the last one. There you go.
Where's Chris at? What's he doing? Raising up his car? Oh, damn, getting ready. The struggle to get out of a parking lot that's close.
Yeah, you gonna make a video out of this?
Yeah, man. Oh my god, you just do that. Dude, there's a bat. What the fuck?
Hey, look at this chair's done.
I feel bad for Chris.
What else?
Keep this straight.
Alan, you're a monster truck anyways, dude.
Oh!
You got like 10 more feet of air.
Your headlight is out. Stop that! Oh, it slowed out.
Yeah, you're good. Straight.
Oh, you're late for oh, stop. Wait, hold on. There, that shit is damn wet. Alright, go. You're good on this side.
We will.
Hey, that flex though.
Oh, stop!
Oh shit.
Just barely.
Down this water smells like ass. Hold on, wait. You gotta keep it straight.
You know he's 5 left. I just noticed that right now.
Yeah. I'm 4 leg.
Hold on.
Damn, one! Relax, dog! Chill!
Oh, this was like lit. Hold on. Except we're fucking leaving the wheel snake in there.
Oh, dude.
There you go.
Where's Chris? What's he doing? Is he raising up his car? This is funny. Oh! Oh shit!
What's that, Bags? Fuck that! Get back! Your name's in the chair. Air out. Hold on!
Too comfortable with the bags. Ooh.
Good? You're good, man.
Man, we need bags in our Hondas. Damn!
He's like, fuck you.
Yeah, air it out. Shit! Oh my god.
Not the Rando kid.
Mr. Rando's not gonna be Mr. Rando anymore.
Damn, he was about to get a fucking million.
Wait, what happened? Nah, he has to. Oh, Mr. Rando's not gonna be Mr. Rando anymore. Oh shit!
Oh my god, dog.
Come on.
Take the bump.
Go ahead.
Oh my god.
Slow.
Oh fuck, the side skirts. Oh! Dude!
Go ahead. Forward.
Just go slow. Go slow.
That's it on there, bro. Go ahead. You put another. Go ahead.
Oh wait, the bat.
With the baseball.
Go.
I feel bad. We're just filming and we're not helping.
Well, the more people we join in, like, you know, we're just gonna be a club.
So I think we're just
We're just filming. We're not.
we're watching a girl get beat up.
The front's good.
We just feel like, dang. That's so
Damn, by a guy.
Damn, a night in San Diego.
Not in San Diego, dude. This is exactly why we stay in our ass night.
Go slow and you're good.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Go ahead.
Oh!
almost there.
Almost there.
You're almost there. Oh, you're good. Yeah. You're good.
Damn.
Next car.
Oh, it's stuck.
I know. Look at
Alright.
Yo, chill.
Oh, the bat.
Nah, you good.
Straighten it out.
You good, Justin.
You good? Slow.
Oh!
What was that? Oh, that's the body.
Yeah, that's a frame. It's a frame.
Push it.
Hey, push! Oh shit! Go, push! Dang, you guys, no star going on too. She got bags.
Eating ass, motherfucker.
Yeah, man. We live the hard life.
I know. We had to take our bumper off and everything. Slow though. I'll tell you when you're on it. Shut up. Are you on it? Good.
Is that back? Static.
There you go. Slow.
Oh! Fuck it.
Oh, shit.
You can do it.
Hold on, slow down.
Yeah, hey, you gonna scrape frame for sure, dude.
We're gonna have to push you.
That's what everybody's saying. He's about to cry. Hold on.
Damn, dude, that little chair doesn't get fucked.
You'll be fine.
Alright, go ahead. I should fucking go in there.
Oh.
Okay, you're on it. Slow.
That's just a free.
Is it?
Yeah, you just say full.
Okay, hold on. Alright, go ahead. Slow so I can pull the chair out so it doesn't grab your side screen. I don't know. Go ahead. And then slow so I can put it back. Go, you're good.
Ooh, that's it. Was
Oh, dude, that's it.
That's just about.
Yeah, slow though. You're up though. Jump.
Oh! Oh shit! Damn.
Okay, let's just take it out.
Ooh, that's it.
Slow.
Ready to break.
Oh my god.
Yeah, ready. Slow.
You're gonna go down right now.
Nah, you good.
Okay, hold on.
Bro, he's stuck.
He's it?
Nah, I can make it.
You have to push it.
make it. Oh no, he's good.
Hold on. Let me get the chair up. Go ahead. Slow though. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's good.
I'll tell you when it's
Oh, I was expecting a lot worse.
Well, the bumper would have fucking been. Go ahead.
Should have kept the exhaust off. It's gonna hit.
More exhaust is on it.
Nobody got hurt.
Damn, last one.
Oh, spare. Who spares that? Anybody else? Roll it out.
Wait, how'd you guys open this?
I'm gonna take a break real quick.
Dang, crazy night. I'm gonna go home.